This is our second virtual class, my second grade students. Good morning, children. It's time to our English class. Please don't forget our agreements. Please look at the board. What are we going to do today? Yes, today we are going to work on my daily routine and the time. Very good. This is what we are going to work on today. Yes. Let's continue. Remember, for a start the class, we need to know some steps to follow the class. Number 1, the vocabulary. So we are going to remember the words or the vocabulary that we have learned the class before. Great. 2, I'm going to present a new topic today. So 3, we are going to practice on it. 4, this is the grammar part. As you know, I'm going to give you a little explanation about our new topic. And this is number 5. This is the activity for you. Okay? So you are going to work at this part by yourself. Okay, my friends. Are you ready to start the class? Yes, very good. Let's continue. Okay, my friends. On this part, we are going to remember the vocabulary, right? So you are going to see the picture now, please, and remember what routine is it. You got it? Great. Yes. I wake up early. Great. I wake up early. Good. And what about this one? Yes, my friend. Get up. Yes, I get up. I get up. I complete, no? Aha, great. What about this one? Yes. I have a shower. I have a shower. Remember, we are going to talking about the routines again, no? Okay, listen, let's continue. Great. Look at this picture now. Look at the boy. What is the routine here? Can you remember? Yes, my friend. I get dressed. I get dressed, no? With a complete idea, right? What about this picture now? Good. I have breakfast. I have breakfast. Good. What about this boy? Yes. I go to school. I go to school. Wonderful. But tell me now, what about this picture? Good. Have lunch. Great. I have lunch. I have lunch. What about this one? Look at the girl. Yes, my friend. I do my homework. I do my homework. Great. What about this picture now? Look at the boy. What is the routine here? Yes, I go to bed. I go to bed. Good, my friends. You are nice kids. Okay, look. What's that? Can you tell me what's that? Do you have any idea about this picture? What is it? A clock. Very good, my friends. Do you have any idea what is our topic going to be about today? Do you have any idea of that? Yes, my friends, we are going to talk about the time. Great. Look at this number. What number is it? Yes, 6. Well, what time is it? Do you know the time here? What time is it? All right, my friend. It's 6 o'clock. Great, it's 6 o'clock. Good. But remember, for telling the time, we need to remember the numbers. Look, let's remember the numbers, right? Let's repeat with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, the clock has 12 numbers. Great. Let's practice. What time is it? Look at the clock. What number is it? What number is it? Yes, my friends, it's 12 o'clock. What about this one? Look at the number. Yes, it's 5 o'clock. Good. And this one? Yes, it's 10 o'clock. Look. Look at the number. The number is not in numbers, it's in letters. But remember, when you talk about the time, so you use the number and a clock. A clock. For example, look at here, 12 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and 10 o'clock. Yes, my friends, good, nice. Okay, let's continue. Now is the practice time. So you are going to practice here. What are you going to do? You are going to see, please, look at the clocks, or see the clocks, and then think on what time is it, and then you are going to match the numbers, or the hours, sorry, with great. We are going to match the clock with the correct hour or time. Yeah? Okay. Ready? Okay. Do it. Great, my friends. Now let's check together. Ready? Okay. It's 11 o'clock. Good. It's 8 o'clock. Nice, my friend. It's 10 o'clock. Good. It's 1 o'clock. Oh, great. It's 3 o'clock. Awesome. Good. It's 7 o'clock. Terrific, my friends. Good. You did well. Well done, my friends. Remember, you use different colors to match this activity. Okay, my friend, let's continue. It was the practice time. Let's continue now. Okay, this is our grammar part. Look, what are we going to do? I'm going to talk about my routine. Look at the picture and look at the time. The routine plus the time. Look, I go to bed at 10 o'clock. The routine with the time. Great. Routine and time. Routine and time. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Great. Continue working. Okay. I'm talking about my daily routine. This is what I do every day, my friends. Look. I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Very early, right? I have a shower at 6 o'clock. Oh, it's very cold. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. Delicious breakfast. I go home at 4 o'clock. After school, yes. I do my homework at 6 o'clock. Yes. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Yes, it was my routine. This is my routine. This is something that I do every day. Continue, my friends. Aha, this is the last part, and this is for you, my friends. This is the activity work. What are you going to do? Look, this is very important to understand and to know. You are going to work this activity in your notebook, please. Don't forget that. But what are you going to do in your notebook? Look, you are going to write 6 sentences with your own information. That means that you are going to write 6 examples or 6 sentences about your own routines. What do you do every day, my friend? Yes, that is something that you are going to write. Look at the example. For example, I get dressed at 7 o'clock, right? Okay, good. 2. Then you are going to write the time according to the clock. Look at the example, my friend. What time is it? Look at the clock. It's 7 o'clock. That's right. You have to write like this next to the clock, right? Look, 11 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 5 o'clock. Okay, you are going to write as the example. Yeah, as the example. Please, you have to do it, but the same as the example. Please, don't forget that. It's very important to put the clock here, and then you are going to write next to the clock the correct hour. Okay, my friends. Look, my friends, that's all for today. And don't forget the instructions, right? Don't forget that you have to do this part in your notebook, please. In your notebook. Don't forget that, right? Okay, my friend, that's all for today. I hope to see you soon, my friend, because I miss you a lot. See you next class. Bye bye, my friend. Thank you very much for your attention, my friend. Thank you. Bye bye.